Hey everyone, let's talk about a topic that's hitting a lot of headlines lately: rising foreclosures in the US and Canada. As of July 2025, foreclosure filings jumped 11% month over month and 13% year over year. That's one in every 3,939 homes, especially Nevada, Florida, Maryland. But why are some states hit harder? It's a mix. Florida and Nevada rely on tourism, which falls fast when the economy slows. Add stagnant wages, add high living costs, add rising insurance premiums, and homeowners start to struggle. If home prices shot up then cooled off, buyers at the peak can end up owing more than the house is worth. Factor in rising mortgage rates, tough foreclosure laws, and long court timelines, plus climate disasters driving insurance up, and it's a perfect storm. Facing foreclosure? You've got options. Loan modifications, forbearance agreements, repayment plans. These can help you stay in your home. If not possible, selling your home, short sale, deed in lieu of foreclosure, may let you walk away with less credit damage. Credit impact. Foreclosure can cut 200 and 300 points and stays on your report 7 years. Short sale and deed in lieu usually hit less. Think 150 points, and you may buy again in a couple of years. Bottom line, don't wait. Reach out to your lender or a HUD-approved counselor early. They've seen it all and can help you figure out the best move. Foreclosure's scary, but knowledge and action give you more control than you think.